Welcome. So you want to learn Fusion 360 and get really good at it, and you want to appear for the Autodesk exam and get certification like this and a badge like this, which you can showcase on social media like LinkedIn, and we show the potential recruiter that you are capable of CAD. Or you are a hobbyist who want to learn product designing on CAD to make a small project, build stuff and 3D print it. Well then my friend, you are in the right place, and let me explain how. Hi, I'm really thrilled and really happy to have you all here. My name is Saraj Joshi. I'm a mechanical engineer, a product designer, and an associate in CAD for mechanical designing. With this certificate and this badge, which I can flex on LinkedIn to show a recruiter that I'm capable of CAD. I really appreciate you for joining into this course and to learn Fusion 360. Talking about Fusion 360, it's like an all-in-one package. It's like a Swiss Army knife of CAD. It has all the CAD, CAM, rendering, animation, stress analysis, creating drawing, creating 3D printing files, all in one package. And it will be a really useful starting point for all the beginners, so you can get a hands-on to all the different tools which you can all use to build your project. Well, talking about who is this course for? It's for all the students, all the working profession, all the hobbyists, and all the individuals who want to get certified from Autodesk and appear for the exam. Well, this course is for all you. In this course, I have covered all the syllabus that is required for the exam, and also I have covered all the extra points which are all required for the hobbies to 3D print the stuff, create a hobby project, create models, 3D print them. All the tools which are required for that, all are covered. Also, if you're an engineering student who want to create projects, create part of the project, if you are a team of a student formula team, you want to create chassis and all that, well, this course takes care of everything. In overall, if you're a student, a working professional or a hobbyist, you are all set. Well, our teaching style is a bit informal, meaning that I don't like to use fancy word or fancy jargons to explain stuff. My main goal is that you understand everything, every beat and pieces loud and clear. That's my thing.
So in the end of this course, you will have complete knowledge of Fusion 360.
Just kidding. So at the end of the course, you will have the complete knowledge of Fusion 360, all the tools, or how can you create complex design. If you are a hobbyist, all of the extra parts like 3D printing, how can you just create fancy renders of the CAD design you created, or animate multiple complex design. Well, all you will be covered in that. Also, if you are applying for the exam, if you want to get the certificate, that's the associate in CAD for mechanical design certificate, which apparently I have. So all the syllabus required for the certification will be covered in all the course. Also, all the tips, tricks will be given to you all. The session will be interactive, meaning that it is not a monotonous me speaking on and on. Also, make sure that the videos are not boring and they are like interactive, and try to make it a bit fun way, and so that you pay attention and learn the stuff more efficiently. Saying that, hope to see you in the course. Get yourself enrolled, start your Fusion 360 journey, unlock tremendous amount of potential to create 3D parts, 3D printed, create jewelry, create stuff, if you have broken anything, create that, fix it, and possibilities are endless. So saying that, see you in the course. Till that, have a really great day. Go and watch some demo videos if you want, and I hope to see you in the course. Saying that, bye bye.